our fourth day on Koh Tao, and today we're going on a boat and a snorkeling trip. They just picked us up at our hotel. We drive here to the pier and we rented a private boat for 5 hours. So they're gonna take us to the island that I don't remember the name of. I will ask them. And then we will have some snorkeling stops, lunch at the boat. I think we can even maybe fishing and kayaking. We will see, but we're happy it's good weather today because it's been raining every day since we came. And today it's better weather. It's sunny and cloudy.
outside. I think that we have one culture, flying gloves.
So now we stay here at our first stop outside Rooftop Beach, where we're gonna snorkeling.
Fresh from the tree.
After snorkeling a bit over there, we drove here, and now two of the guides are on the one canoe here and taking the food, and then we're gonna eat here on the boat. Yay! Är ni hungriga?
Yes!
Are you hungry?
Yes!
Super hungry!
Yeah!
Ägg gillar du? Titta, ägg finns. Stekt ägg.
De är för små, de bara äter.
So we are on the way to eat dinner at the Rooftop restaurant called Barracuda. It's just like some 100 meters from our hotel. There's a lot of bars and small shops here in this street. I heard very good things about this restaurant, so I hope the food is We are back at the hotel room. The food at Barracuda was very good. I think the most of us liked it. It was nice to eat something else than Thai food for once, and it was also a really good atmosphere up there. So yeah, we really recommend it if you come here to Koh Tao. After the dinner, we decided to go for a night swim in the pool. I took a little beach walk farther down the beach, and the atmosphere here is totally different. So much calmer here. I think both vibe has its own charms. I love bungalows like this on the beach. If I come back here again, I might stay here next time. Last breakfast on Koh Tao before we went back home to Hua Hin. My family stayed for 2 more nights, and then we had the last dinner at our house here in Hua Hin before it was time to say goodbye for this time. We had so much fun during the 3 weeks they were here in Thailand, and I really appreciate that they came to visit me so we can spend some quality time together. Being here alone at the beach, relaxed, recharging was exactly what I needed right now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.